Question number 1. Which electrolyte imbalance can lead to cardiac arrhythmias? The right answer is option B, hyperkalemia. Question number 2. In blood transfusion, compatibility testing is performed to avoid. The right answer is option C, hemolytic reaction. Question number 3. The main symptom of appendicitis is. The right answer is option B, abdominal pain. Question number 4. Surgical asepsis is required for. The right answer is option B, dressing a wound. Question number 5. A sterile field is considered contaminated if it is. The right answer is option A, touched by an ungloved hand. Question number 6. Which of these is an opioid analgesic? The right answer is option C, morphine. Question number 7. A common side effect of prolonged steroid therapy is. The right answer is option B, hyperglycemia. Question number 8. Which is the fastest route of drug administration? The right answer is option D, intravenous. Question number 9. What is the normal pH of gastric secretion? The right answer is option A, 2.0. Question number 10. Which infection is often transmitted through animal bites? The right answer is option B, rabies. Question number 11. Which organ is affected by hepatitis B? The right answer is option C, liver. Question number 12. The body's primary energy source is. The right answer is option B, carbohydrates. Question number 13. The term anuria refers to. The right answer is option C, absence of urine production. Question number 14. Which nutrient is essential for preventing scurvy? The right answer is option B, vitamin C. Question number 15. The normal range for fasting blood glucose in adults is. The right answer is option B, 70 to 100 mg per deciliter. Question number 16. Which condition is characterized by inflammation of the joints? The right answer is option B, arthritis. Question number 17. A nosocomial infection is one that is acquired. The right answer is option C, in a hospital. Question number 18. Which blood cell type is primarily involved in immunoresponse? The right answer is option B, white blood cells. Question number 19. The purpose of an in situ spirometer is to. The right answer is option B, promote deep breathing. Question number 20. A patient with hypovolemia is likely to have. The right answer is option B, low blood volume. Question number 21. What is the first line of treatment for a patient experiencing anaphylactic shock? The right answer is option A, epinephrine. Question number 22. Which organ is the primary site of filtration in the body? The right answer is option B, kidneys. Question number 23. Hypokalemia refers to a deficiency of. The right answer is option B, potassium. Question number 24. Which vitamin is crucial for calcium absorption? The right answer is option D, vitamin D. Question number 25. The safest injection site for an adult intramuscular injection is. The right answer is option C, ventrogluteal. Question number 26. Bradycardia is a condition characterized by. The right answer is option C, low heart rate. Question number 27. Which of the following is a symptom of diabetic ketoacidosis? The right answer is option B, fruity birth odor. Question number 28. Hypoglycemia is most commonly treated by administering. The right answer is option B, glucose. Question number 29. Which is a common complication of immobility? The right answer is option B, decubitus ulcers. Question number 30. A common test to assess renal function is. The right answer is option B, creatinine clearance test. Question number 31. Normal saline solution contains. The right answer is option B, 0.9% sodium chloride. Question number 32. Which is the most effective method of sterilization? The right answer is option C, autoclaving. Question number 33. A patient with jaundice likely has a problem with which organ? The right answer is option B, liver. Question number 34. Which hormone is responsible for lowering blood glucose levels? The right answer is option B, insulin. Question number 35. An early sign of hypoxia is. The right answer is option B, confusion.